What's up, everybody? This is Ganji, and today we're making chicken chow mein. So the list of ingredients that we're gonna need today. First, you're gonna need some egg noodles. And to put into the chow mein, we're gonna need some chicken, some celery, some cabbage, onions, green onions, and mung bean sprouts. For the sauce, all you need is light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, some MSG. So we're gonna start by boiling some water and getting the egg noodles in there. Just gonna kind of blanch them. We want it very al dente style because we are gonna be stir frying them later. Once the noodles are in there, you just want to kind of loosen them up. So I blanched the noodles for about a minute. Now we're gonna strain them. Put them under cold water so we can stop them from cooking. To the side and let it sit. Now for the ingredients, I'm going to be using a very small onion, got the cabbage. For the chicken, it's a marinated seasoned chicken, but same as everything else. Cut it into long, thin strips. There you go. For the sauce, the first ingredient is dark soy sauce. We're going to put 2 spoons of this in. 1. There's a tablespoon. 2. We're going to put 1.5 spoons of light soy sauce. 1.5. And then we have our oyster sauce. We're going to put in 2 spoons of oyster sauce. 1. 2. We're going to put in a spoon of sugar. The last part would be to add about 3 tablespoons full of water. And then we'll mix it up. And now we start cooking. Put some oil into the pan. The celery and the cabbage. You want to kind of sear the vegetables so it has that nice smoky flavor. I'm going to put the garlic in. And at this point, you could add a little bit of water just to get it really cooking. Now we're going to add the chicken. And last but not least, I'm going to add the noodles. We're going to add the sauce. Now we're going to put in the mung bean sprouts. There you go. Chicken chow mein. And now for the taste test. That is really good. Hopefully you guys try this recipe out. If you do, leave me a comment. That's my video for today. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.